Hi guys, as you can see, today is a new day. Actually, it wasn't the next day, but it was the day after. So 2 days later, here we are. And we're gonna be doing is this. Definitely we're doing this today. So come here closer to the camera. If you point here, my daughter's actually making a video. As you can see where the boot lid has been pushed here, it's also been pushed here. Come closer. And it's made a crease. See here? That's it. That's why when it's sitting down, it's not straight. You can go back. Like when you close it, there's a big, massive, obviously kind of like gap here. Where on this other side, obviously, I've taken everything off. So what we've done now is literally taken all the cables and put on a new one. I just threw the bumper, go back a bit. I threw the bumper on there just literally just to see what's it gonna look like, you know. So at the moment I'm happy. The light is sitting nice and straight. You're just looking for the bumper. Again, if you got a Honda CRZ and you got a silver rear bumper, please, I'm begging you, sell it to me. Because Honda wants about 550 pounds for brand new painted bumper, which is okay. But the biggest issue that we got with that is that we cannot get it for about 2 months time. Even though they're coming from Belgium, which is literally down the road, down the pond, you know. But we can't get them. Well, they can't get them in time. So let's take this off. Let's do it. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we've taken this off. Unfortunately, I won't be able to put it on by myself. The other one, which is in there. Don't look at my mess. Oh, I'm really not looking forward to put this in there. Guys, all the little clips and everything. Just for this clip, I had to take all that off. Which goes through there and in there. Anyway, I'm gonna give it a nice good clean here. Clean all that out. And little by little, I'm gonna have to somehow put the other one on. Wow, I'm actually very pleased. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it on my own. But yeah, I actually put it on. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, I put this in there just in case, you know. So there's obviously a big metal bit here. Here. So I didn't want to scratch this. And I didn't want to scratch this. So now, just literally, what's left to do is put this cable through here. Run it all across here. Make sure all the window heaters and everything's connected. And then it's gonna be pain in the bum to do all this. Put it back. Oh my gosh, I bet you there's gonna be loads of clips like this that are damaged. Nice. Really looking forward to it. And obviously, thank God, it's a beautiful sunny day and it's literally beaming straight at me. And look at this thing. Anybody want to buy a damaged boot lid for CRZ? Well, it's not damaged actually. There's no damage whatsoever. Look, it's brand new. Joking. Right, let's get cracking with this. feeling it all. The light is working, that's connected. This is also connected to that, getting electricity, I suppose, whatever. All that is connected. That's working. So now we're gonna see if this is pushed out enough, because clearly this is not a damaged boot lid. So nope. And I can see right there. Where is it? This one right here in the middle. Yeah, thought so. Oh, which is good, because this is obviously, like I said, this is not a damaged boot lid, you know. But we can put all the plastic together now. We can put all those bits on it. And then I'm gonna have to push even more out, because it's still not straight enough.